Quaalude likes Odin's Mother Hubbard's peanut butter biscuits. Aw, Odin, we've got more for you. This is a big one. We'll give the big one to Quaalude because you like the baby size. Okay. Here's Odin's little baby size ones. One more? Another one, Quay? Okay, hold on. We'll have to give you a milk bone. You'll have to have a milk bone, Quay. We don't have any more peanut butter ones. Do you like it? Yeah? It's okay too? Oh, good kids. Kind of spoiled, eh?